Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change font style in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display. From here go to font size and style, and then tap on font style. Now from here you can change your font style. You can set any font style as you like, and you can see it's changed successfully. Now if you tap on font style again, now if you want to download more font style, just tap on download fonts. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. Now from here you can download more font style. You can download any font as you like. If you want to download this font style, just tap on this download icon and give it a moment to download it. You can see it's almost done and the download is complete. Now just go back. Now here you can find your downloaded font style. If you want to set this font style, just select it and it's changed successfully. And that is how you can change font style in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.